All right, listen carefully. Let's take this expression. 5 squared plus 40 divided by 5 multiplied by 8. Now, here's where a lot of people go wrong. Many people will look at this and start correctly with the exponent. So they calculate 5 squared, which gives 25. Then they rewrite the expression as 25 plus 40 divided by 5 multiplied by 8. So far, so good. But then they make their first mistake. Instead of following the correct order of operations, they jump straight into addition. They add 25 and 40, getting 65. So now the expression becomes 65 divided by 5 multiplied by 8. Next, they divide 65 by 5 and get 13. Then they multiply 13 by 8 and end up with 104. And they feel confident. But here's the truth. That answer is completely incorrect. Now, let's look at another common mistake. Some people again start correctly with the exponent. 5 squared becomes 25. So the expression becomes 25 plus 40 divided by 5 multiplied by 8. Then, instead of working from left to right, they assume multiplication must come before division. So they multiply 5 by 8 first and get 40. Now the expression becomes 25 plus 40 divided by 40. Next, they divide 40 by 40 and get 1. Then they add 25 and 1, giving 26. Again, this answer is wrong. So what's really going on here? The problem is simple. They are not following the correct order of operations. To solve this properly, we must follow the rule known as PEMDAS. Let me break that down for you. P stands for parentheses. E stands for exponents. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stand for addition. S stands for subtraction. But here's the part many people misunderstand. Multiplication and division have the same level of priority. Addition and subtraction also have the same level of priority. So what do? We solve them from left to right. Now, before we continue, if you're learning something new right now, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment. It really helps more people see this and avoid making these same mistakes. All right, let's continue. Now, let's solve the expression the correct way. We start with 5 squared plus 40 divided by 5 multiplied by 8. Step 1. Handle the exponent. 5 squared is 25. So now we have 25 plus 40 divided by 5 multiplied by 8. Step 2. Move to multiplication and division. Remember, we go from left to right. So first we divide 40 by 5. That gives us 8. Now the expression becomes 25 plus 8 multiplied by 8. Next, we multiply 8 by 8. That gives us 64. Now the expression becomes 25 plus 64. Finally, we add 25 plus 64 equals 89. So the correct answer is 89. Now let's move on to another example. Consider this expression. 12 minus 2 multiplied by open parenthesis 14 minus 4 close parenthesis. Again, many people rush and make mistakes. Some people will subtract 12 minus 2 first and get 10. Then they rewrite the expression as 10 multiplied by open parenthesis 14 minus 4 close parenthesis. Next, they solve inside the parentheses and get 10. So now it becomes 10 multiplied by 10. And that gives 100. But once again, this answer is wrong. Why? Because they ignored the order of operations. Let's solve it correctly. We start with 12 minus 2 multiplied by open parenthesis 14 minus 4 close parenthesis. Step 1. Deal with the parentheses. 14 minus 4 equals 10. So now we have 12 minus 2 multiplied by 10. Step 2. Multiplication comes before subtraction. So we multiply 2 by 10. That gives 20. Now the expression becomes 12 minus 20. Finally, we subtract. 12 minus 20 equals negative 8. So the correct answer is negative 8. And that's it. The key lesson here is simple. Never rush. Always follow the order of operations. And remember, Multiplication and division go from left to right, while addition and subtraction also go from left to right. If you ignore this, math will trick you every single time. If this helped you understand it better, make sure you like this video and subscribe for more mind-blowing math tricks.